Welcome to Enots Engineering, I'm Alan. Last week we turned two sphericals to form the handle of the key that we're making. This week I'm using some copper piping to form the body and machining the end to form the key part. So let's go into the workshop and see how we do it. I'm using a piece of 22mm copper pipe to make the body of the tap handle. We start with a piece of aluminium 1-inch diameter. I'll just move this out a little bit so I can turn at least 1 inch to the diameter of the pipe. Now if you use copper pipe like I'm using and you've cut it with a pipe cutter, you'll need to remove the burr from the inside as the pipe cutter squashes the edge of the pipe down. Now I've put about a 1 degree taper on my compound slide. So to turn this so we get a slight taper. Keep trying the pipe. You can see it goes into there. And if I now turn this parallel from here, I should be able to tap that in and get a good fit on that. So if I take that out, on the other side I need to machine a slot across here, 8mm wide, so I'll do that in the milling machine. I've set a piece of aluminium bar in the vise, holding it in a V-block and the vise jaw. I've zeroed on the top, I've just touched the tool on the side and come in to the centre line. Now I want to mill a slot across there, 10mm deep. I've changed for a 12mm milling cutter, and all I'm doing is making a hole in the middle. That's a tap. That just drops in there. I'll file all the sharp edges off, and this should fit in the pipe. I've put a drop of thread lock inside the pipe, and I'll just tap this adapter in, and I'll just drill a hole through. Now I'm drilling 5mm all the way through. Now I've turned the pipe around and I've put a bung in this end, and I'll drill this the same. I've drilled through 5mm, and now I'll change the drill to an 8mm drill and drill 15mm deep. I'll just check that the part fits. Let's take the frays off the other side. Now this is the assembly. On this end I've fitted the part into the pipe, and I've drilled a small hole, and that's just in case the Loctite fails and that starts to twist. I can always put a bolt through the hole to hold it. On the other end, this part goes through here, the other part goes through the bigger hole and just screws together. That's the handle part. Now I'll show you what this part does. This is where my water stopcock is. You lift this up, take out the polystyrene in the bottom, and remove some of the soil from the bottom of the hole. There you can see the stop tap. It's that small piece of steel going diagonally. Now we'll see whether the slot fits over the tap in the bottom, and that fits on top. Now I can turn this off. That's the off position, and this is the on position. It's only about a quarter of a turn from off to on. In the roof of my workshop I have a tap, and to turn that tap on or off I need to get some ladders, and that tap supplies water to the garden. Now with my new extension I should be able to turn the tap on and off. And what you do is put that up onto the tap, and then you can turn it on or off without having to get the ladders every time you want to turn it off. Oh well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.